everybody.
Welcome.
Welcome back to our What Sold on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari.
Yeah, and even Facebook Marketplace today we had a sale, so we'll talk about that too. Let's get right to it. All right, so let's talk about that Facebook Marketplace sale. You'll remember us finding a little girl's bike on the side of the road for free in this recent video, and oh my gosh, it did not take long for it to sell for 25 bucks. We just made this lady and her little girl really happy.
She was so happy, and Dustin came back and he was so thrilled that he made this little girl's day.
Oh my gosh.
And the mom.
Oh yes, she was so thankful, and yeah.
It was like 25 bucks too, which was perfect price for her. Yeah, it was awesome.
Yeah, we just want to sort of pass it along. So 25 bucks. We're super happy.
It's like a half a tank of gas. No,
right? Oh my gosh, I know. We don't need to ride our bicycle now. So, all right. So let's start off Mercari now. So this I picked up. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I picked this up in a video with my daughter and I. If you remember a Stranger Things video from way back in the day, we picked this up at this thrift store. This is a Disney Cuties Piglet nightlight.
What?
Yeah. So this is in bin I right here.
I have never seen this myself.
Oh, this is pretty cool here.
I love night lights.
Yeah, especially Piglet.
No, you had piglets?
Yes, and this went for
Babe.
$10 plus shipping on Mercari.
I love that.
Oh, I'm sorry. Well, it's going to find, once again, it's going to make a little girl really happy, I bet. So that's cool.
True.
Yeah. And here's something else I went on Mercari that, let's see, this sold, honey, you did not list this very long, and it sold right away. And this is in our newest bin right over here. This is a Newest Tags Eileen Fisher Fuchsia Women's Blouse.
I have to tell you guys about this blouse here. So I listed it right away, Eileen Fisher, new with tags. Okay, I listed it for $59, and I knew it was a little bit less than others, but because I just wanted the cash. So it sold so fast, and I highly recommend anything Eileen Fisher, new with tags and even without tags.
Awesome. Good tip, honey. Yeah, I mean, I don't even think you had a time to cross-list that one, honestly. I think it sold right away.
I didn't.
That is so awesome, for sure. This sold on Poshmark, and this is a vintage Diet Coke Fashion Girl adjustable strap back hat. And that sold for $12. I remember, I think you brought this home one day, and I was like, oh, that's pretty cool.
I did.
Unique hat,
yeah.
Now we find a bin hat C, which is right here.
Look how cute this girl is. Oh, hi, I drink what? Coca-Cola?
Yeah, bubbly Diet Coke. Like, I'm so glamorous and...
Oh, there it is. Diet Coke. Pardon.
Yeah. Oh, geez.
That's why we have the body looking figure here.
Nice. So that sold. That's a really good deal right there. There wasn't many of those available, so we were happy to see that one go. All right, so next on Poshmark is something that we wouldn't think would go on Poshmark, actually, and that is a Dale Earnhardt wooden photo plaque clock. Now, we found this in a yard sale video. Actually, you did, honey. Found this in a yard sale video. Check that one out because we actually only paid like, I don't know, $3 or $4 for this. But, I'm sorry, actually, we'll find this in bin B right behind us here. Okay, so bin B. Here we go. Oh, no, this is it. Right here, check this out. Wow. It's a nice little clock. It's a plaque.
I love
going to a collector, probably gonna sit in somebody's man cave, and that went for $25 on Poshmark. So one of those things, would a Dale Earnhardt NASCAR clock go on Poshmark, you'd think? It did.
Crazy.
So yeah, remember guys, don't forget to get those listings cross-listed. I mean, you see so many more sales that way, and sometimes they sell for more on different platforms, which is awesome.
And actually sometimes we get a good laugh out of it, because who would ever think that this would sell on Poshmark? How silly is that?
Exactly, right?
Yeah.
So cool. So honey, this is something that you found in a video where we went to some yard sales. This was maybe last summer. And this is a Tiffany Cobalt Blue Heart Glass signed Elsa Peretti jewelry trinket case. And that sold for $35. Oh my gosh, let's hear about that.
Okay.
It's in your smalls 4 bin. Which is, I'm sorry, over here.
Oh.
There we go.
Oh, I want to tell you guys about this. Oh no, it's wrapped up.
Oh, it is. Yep, we like to keep it nice and safe.
Okay, so I just took this out of my inventory a few days ago because my teenager has his first girlfriend and she's graduating to high school. And I took it out thinking it's vintage, it's Tiffany's, and it's awesome. And I'm telling you, it sold before I could even ask my son. It's great.
That's so cool. What a great story. And I'm sure she would have loved it. But it's going to somebody else now, and for $35 plus shipping.
Yeah.
And I remember in the video you paid like maybe $2 for it. He gave you a really good deal.
He did. It's an Elsa Peretti, and it's a very distinct shape of a heart.
Absolutely. Great eye there, honey, and great sale. And another great eye and great sale for you, honey, is, oh my gosh.
I'm having a good day today.
Yeah. This one on Poshmark too. And this sold for $69. A vintage Coach black flap over purse pocketbook. And this one was made in Hungary.
Yes, made in Hungary. Okay, let me tell you this story about this one. Everybody says you're gonna sell Coach bags real quick, real fast. And this is not true for me. It's not true. I can't tell you how many Coach bags I've had. Look how beautiful this is. Mm-hmm. And it is still vintage. See, you can tell by the clasps. Made in Hungary. It has a creed, the whole thing. And it's been in my closet for over a year.
No way.
Since last summer. And and it's just, and I sold it for what, $69?
$69.
I mean, I thought I was going to get $169 for this cool vintage ones, but you know what? You just never know. You never know, right?
Right.
Some things sell for some people really well in some areas, and other things don't sell at all.
Yeah, it's really strange that way. But, you know, I mean, it could be because of pricing. It could be because of quality of listing. It could be for a lot of different reasons.
Yeah,
but for sure, yeah. So, yes, great sale, honey. Oh my gosh. Even if it did sit around for a while, you want to pick up those authentic Coach bags for sure, right? All right, so now it is movie time. Let's go into the media room here.
Oh, good. Here, I'll let you I'm taking over. Wow, wrong side. Oops. Sorry. That was a good nostril shot of me.
No editing. I'm not going to edit that out.
That's okay. Don't. I think it's funny.
All right, so we got a little media room in here,
All right,
which
here we
I
go.
really love because we got these nice narrow media shelves. We got CDs. We got all of these in fairly alphabetical order. And so it makes it a little easier to select. Now, you'll remember us finding this DVD in a very recent video where we went to one of our favorite barns and got us a big stack of DVDs, a whole complete series. And this one was one of them. And this is the movie Up. And that's by like Walt Disney, the Pixar movie. And this is brand new and sealed and went for $14.99.
Holy cow.
For shipping, yeah. So not all Disney movies are created equal. You know, some of them are going to be a little bit more than others. But for some reason, this one's a really popular one and still sells for decent money. And that's going to be down here.
I'm still in awe of your organization of this closet for your media room, babe.
Oh, thank you so much.
I'm serious. Wow.
Well, I really appreciate that. Okay, so it is right here. All right. Here So look for that one, guys. If it's still new and sealed, you might be able to get $15 for it really quickly. And here's another new and sealed, but this is a VHS tape. So VHS tape is still selling these days. Now this one is one that you probably wouldn't want to really look out for. This one's called Captains of the Clouds, new sealed VHS. It's an older movie, and that went for $9.99 free shipping. You know, we throw that on a bubble mailer, and $4. We'll make a few bucks for a couple minutes of work. And where is this one here? Captains. Right. Let's see. So a lot of times, you know, there's. Oh, here we go. When we go for sealed VHS tapes, you'll see maybe a sticker here as well. You know, look for the retail things there to make sure they're all legit. And watermarks too. They usually have watermarked things there. And collectors will pay big money for like those cult classics that are still new and sealed because they have them graded and make them worth thousands. So keep an eye out for the cult classics, especially on VHS. Now we have a few more things left, and one of these.
How many did we sell today?
I think we did about 11 or so.
Nice.
12 maybe, including the marketplace.
Oh, hey.
Yeah. So this next one, honey, you made the listing on List Perfectly and then cross-listed it to Poshmark and Mercari. And then I usually take care of the eBay listings. And this, so I put it on eBay and it sold on eBay. This is a Vince Camuto long-sleeved V-neck blouse top, and that's in bin V4.
Oh, yes. Is it black?
Yeah, black one.
Oh, it's so pretty.
And that sold for $19.99 plus shipping.
V4.
V4. Oh, that's that one. You know, honey, I can get that for you. Let's just look for that one later, actually.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a really heavy one.
Vince Camuto is really oversold, so that price for that shirt was right on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it doesn't get as much as you would think for resale.
Okay, I see. That's what I thought maybe. See, when I go to make listings from your Poshmark, I usually know that Poshmark you're going to get a little bit more. So I actually put it for a little bit less on eBay.
Yeah.
Unless the eBay research is showing that it will get about the same amount. So I was kind of surprised that this only went for $20 too, honestly.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, we have 2 more things left, and one of them is something, honey, that you brought home, and this is.
I was busy. I'm busy in this one.
Oh my gosh! Yeah. This was a Antigua Desert Dry Extra Light New York Jets polo T-shirt, new with tags.
New with tags.
Yeah. New with
Okay.
tags. So, and that's like, just a nice polo shirt with NFL, any, sports logos are, people love their sports and they love their teams. They love to support them. When you can find Nike new with tags, go for it. Or even this Antigua brand. So this one for $15.99 plus shipping. We're gonna find that in bin Z2, and that is gonna be right here actually. So let's see. All right.
I love picking up stuff for Dustin that has, I guess you would say logos of teams, sports stuff. I love picking up sports stuff for you.
I love when you find it because it's just I know like most of the teams and sports and things like that. So listing this stuff I know is great because people love it. It sells. All right, and we have one more item going out, and if I can find my phone, it is. Okay, so you probably remember us finding this in a home goods video and selling some more of these on recent What Sold videos. This is a Snow Whitening Toothpaste 3-ounce Midnight Mist Lavender Toothpaste.
You sold another one?
Another one, yeah.
Whoa.
$17.99 free shipping.
What?
Exactly, yeah. And we paid maybe a few bucks for those in the video, which is pretty cool.
And you just sold one a couple days ago, right?
Yeah, right. So they're selling out. Too bad we didn't find more. But we're going to find those in bin A10 over here.
Let's check out this toothpaste, guys.
Yeah.
It goes along with this fancy toothbrush that we love.
Yes, I used the Snow toothbrush, and it's a whitening. It has like the sort of like LED light. Mm-hmm. And you use, I suppose, any whitening toothpaste with it, but they actually have their own whitening toothpaste, which I use. Not the lavender one. I like the Fresh Mint one. Mm-hmm. And my gosh. So, honey, you keep telling me like how
white your
whiter my teeth are getting.
It's the Snow toothbrush, and it's award-winning, and it's just really cool.
Yeah, I mean, we're not like sponsored by them or anything like that.
Oh no.
What?
No.
I mean, it really does work well. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
So, guys, we want to congratulate you when you have a really great day of sales. I mean, yeah, absolutely. And we hope to see you next time, and the next time, and the next time.
See you guys soon.
Yeah, guys, take
care. Have a great week.
That's up to you.